Welcome to DataBrio Academy. Today we are doing a quick tutorial on Power BI. We will create a dashboard in Power BI which is called a Power BI report. Today we are using the dataset WHO COVID-19 global data which you already have in CSV format. We will look at the features available in the dataset under data description. We are creating a few charts like a pie chart, line chart, maps. We will see how to add a slicer and using slicer how to filter data on various parameters. We will see how to build a dashboard which is a Power BI report using these various features, and we will also see how to add a card in a report, an example of some sample reports as well. So let's begin.
Now we will switch to Power BI desktop and we will see the data. So here you can see that this is basically COVID-19 data. First column contains the date reported. Next column contains the country code. Next column contains the country name. Next is the WHO region, under which WHO region the country is falling. Next is the new cases reported on that date. Next is the cumulative cases. This is basically the running total of the new cases. Next is the new death that is reported on that date, and cumulative deaths is the also the running total of new deaths. Now we will switch to the reports part and we will first build a line chart. And we will take date reported on x-axis and we will take new cases on y-axis. Here you can see that how new cases are varying over time. Is it increasing and decreasing? We can see here over time. Next we can add one slicer so that we can see in which country new cases are reported more and in which country new cases are reported less. So we will click on this slicer and we will add country over a field, and we will add another slicer and we will take under date reported, we will take date hierarchy over field. So we can see here 2020, 2021 and 22 is added to the slicer. Now if I will click on this Afghanistan, then I can see that in Afghanistan how new cases are varying over time. Now if I am selecting 2021, then it is filtered only on 2021. How new cases are varying in 2021 for the country Afghanistan. Next we will do one map. So we will just click on this map and we will drag country and drop over location, and we will drag new cases and drop over the bubble size. Then I can see here that United States of America, the new cases are more, and in India new cases are next is the India, new cases are second highest, and we will take WHO region over legend. Then I can see that in United States of America it is falling under AMRO region, and it is the here the new cases are maximum. Next is in India, that is falling under WHO region CERO. Next we will create one pie chart. So We will double click on this pie chart, drag and drop it to middle, and we will take new cases over values, and we will take WHO region over legend, and we will go to format your visual, and we will switch this data label on, and under this data label we will go to values, and we will just switch this percentage decimal places and make it as 0. Then here we can see that in EURO region, that is the 41% contributing WHO region among all the regions. In pie chart we can see the contribution in 100%. 100% how much that region is contributing, we can see here. We can also add one slicer, and we can also take date hierarchy over the fields, and if we will click on this 2021, then the chart is filtered with 2021 data. Next we will see how to build a report. So we just need to copy. First we need to copy these three chart and slicers. We just need to copy this and paste it in one new page, and we just need to click on sync. And we just need to make some spaces. We just need to copy the map, and we just need to paste it in the report page. And we need to copy pie chart and paste it on the report page. We just need to make some spaces so that we can copy paste all the charts. So these are all synced with each other. So here we can add one card. We just need to double click on this card, and we can add new cases on field. Then we can see that total new cases that will be, you can see here. We can just rename total new cases, add another slicer, and we can add total deaths over fields, and we just need to rename that total new deaths. In this way we can build a report with the charts we have already created. So here we can see that one sample report that we have already built. So the first dashboard, we can see here new cases in COVID-19 that are reported. So the first chart is telling me how new cases are varying over time. Is it increasing or decreasing? If there is any increasing or decreasing trend, we can see here. And next is the total new cases. Next is the where the COVID-19 cases are more, that 8 countries are selected. And next we can see here the sum of cumulative cases by how it is varying over time, we can see here. And next we can see how the maps we can see here by WHO regions. If I am selecting United States of America, then only for United States of America all the charts will be filtered. Next sample dashboard, it is for deaths in COVID-19. How new COVID-19 deaths are varying over time we can see here, and where the COVID-19 new deaths are maximum we can see here by this chart, and we can see here by this map also where the COVID-19 new deaths are more. And in the third dashboard we can see one overview of the cumulative cases, how cumulative new deaths and new cases are varying in over the time, and we can also select the countries. Thank you everyone.